How to delete temporary files on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files or temp files from your Windows 11. Let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. On your system, right-click on the Windows icon. A menu will appear. Select the Run option from the list. Or, you can press the Windows button and R key to open the Run box. Here, write Command %temp% and then click on OK. All your temporary files will appear on the system's screen. Now, let's delete these temporary files. Here, you can press Ctrl+A keys, then all your files will be selected. On your keyboard, press the delete button and your temporary files will be deleted. This is how you can simply delete temporary files on Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.